Welcome back, everybody. Supreme Family Garden here. And today, guys, we're going to talk about which particular variety of soil when planting your trees, fruit trees, shrubs, things of that nature, okay? So far, guys, what I've noticed is the best that I have used is this. In one of my previous citrus tree videos, I was talking to you guys about it was a yellow orange bag that I used to actually plant one of my trees in, and I could not for the life of me remember. So I went to my local Lowe's the other day, and they had some topsoil on sale. They had a hole in it, and they were like $3 a bag. Y'all know me, I'm frugal, so I bought them. All right, now honey, follow me with the camera. Now guys, this was it. Now this right here, the jungle growth, I've had great success with this stuff, growing like watermelon, cantaloupe, different things like that, okay? Black cow is an all-around excellent soil. Miracle Grow, at the time, I was a novice, and if it was cheap, it was for me. It's dirt. Now these do have, I'm not sure about the black cow, but I know this has some chemicals in it. But guys, I'm gonna bring you and show you the difference in using this Miracle Grow product. Now again, I don't with the Miracle Grow thing, but I just want to show you guys on my success with just this dirt. No fertilizer, just the dirt, okay? And y'all who know me know I'm not sponsored by no Miracle Grow. God knows if they came out with an organic brand and called me, I'd push it like. So guys, what we're gonna do is take you now and show you the difference in the trees that we actually used with that Miracle Grow garden soil. Follow me. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna show you. All right, this tree. This is the one I showed you guys this again in a different video on. I couldn't remember the actual soil that I used. Now, guys, this tree actually. What storm was that we got, honey? That bad storm that one year, like 3, 4 years ago. Anyway, hurricane came through a few years ago, and there was a huge tree inside of this area. One of the limbs came and actually broke this tree, and I had taped it here to save it. If you, honey, you can show them right there. And guys, I know I got crossing limbs, you're supposed to prune all of that, but I was happy this tree lived. Wasn't gonna bother with it, all right? So this right here is a, what do you call it, a tangerine tree. What variety? Don't know. But this tree, okay, has probably about 70 fruit on this tree. And if you can look, everything that I actually planted next to it using that soil, and again, guys, that was before I knew how to make my own. But if you had to buy some dirt, because you can't make it, maybe you guys live in an apartment or in a rich neighborhood or something, and you just can't get to it, that would be the best soil to grow your things in, honestly. Okay, now watch. Even right here, this tree, look at how green everything is on this particular variety, okay? Now watch this. Honey, can you slowly turn the camera to the left? This is a guava tree that I actually planted last year, okay? Now when I dug the hole for the orange tree, I made it pretty big, okay? And it was small, probably like 4 foot tall. But look at how this is actually growing right next to it, okay? All right, now even right here, these are okra. My kids planted them in the wrong spot. But everything in this area seems to be like kicking butt. I don't know if the soil did all of that, but it sure grew this tree bigger than any other orange tree on our property, except for the one that we actually purchased, which was larger at purchasing time. All right, now honey, swing the camera this way. I'm gonna show you guys, if you can just look right out here, all of these trees we bought from a grower. They were all the same height, same size, everything, okay? Now if you look to the left, slowly baby, slowly, you make the people dizzy.
Well, I was going to the right and you said to the left,
Well, I
right?
changed my mind.
Okay.
Okay, now that tree's loaded, but that Sangranella's gonna be on a different video, okay? But we did this, guys, just to actually show you that over here, we don't make up anything. We tell you guys the truth, all right? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Now, again, these trees are, like, look, this tree here only has one orange, okay? And it's still, what do you figure, babe, about 4 foot tall or so?
4 feet tall, yeah.
About 4 feet tall. Can I say 4 foot?
No, babe, it's feet.
Oh,
1 foot.
no, 1 feet.
Okay.
Hey, can you get a, right here? Now, guys, look at this. Now, guys, when you see this, what does this make you think of? Supreme's homemade tangerine juice. I'm going to put a link when these start turning color, and I'm going to ship everybody some orange juice.
Oh, Lord.
What? They might want to taste my orange juice.
Don't make promises you can't keep.
I can keep my promise that I'm going to send it to one person. That then I'm going to drink the rest of it myself. But somebody going to get some of this because I'm proud of this. So I want to share it with my family and friends. But guys, look at this. Look here. I've never seen this in my life. Guys, that dirt there's a bad boy. And I'm no Miracle Grow man, but good. I gotta give credit where credit is due, because again, a lot of people who are on YouTube, they just may tell a lie and say they did it tell a tale. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Don't make me feel bad. I mean, I've never had this happen. And again, I'm showing you guys this is the only tree that grew this tall. And actually, it wasn't in full sun because, like I said, it was growing under a canopy of trees. Okay, and lightning struck that one and actually knocked it and hurt this baby. If you can actually look, guys. Honey, bring the camera. See in there were little ones that I actually cut out just to show you guys how this actually grew in a shaded area. And it kicked butt. All right, guys, thank you so very much for watching Supreme Family Garden. Better yards, better gardens. May God bless each and every one of you.